Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add video in Wing Studio. So first up, open your Wing Studio account and you can select the section where you want to put a video. For example, this one here, I'm going to delete this photo and I'm going to add the video. So I'm going to click on the plus icon at the top left and basically click on this video section. Now, as you can see, you just have to drag and move to the place where you want to put your video or set the location of the video. For example, here. And then to add a video or change video, click on that change video button. And as you can see, you can now go to media from Wings. So you can get or you can select any of the free videos right here. Or you can go to the search box and type any category or a type of video that you want to insert on your website. So basically here you can go to Shutterstock and here you can get some free images or videos and you can use AI image creator, and using AI you can generate some of the sample video. And then here you can basically upload media from your computer. So just click right here and then go to the folders. So for example, you're going to select any video right here, just select and click open. So as you can see, it is now starting to uploading the file. So in this case, I'm going to select video from media from Wings. So for example, here, I'm going to select this one. So this is actually 6 seconds video. And then once you select that, you just click on the update button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. So you should have to wait for a few seconds here. And then once you've done, it is automatically update to your website. So as you can see here on your studio, the video is now changed. And then you can basically change the play button. So click on change big play button. And you have some of the choices here. What icon do you want to use for your website? So basically you can just select any of here, and then for example I'm going to select this one. And then we have also some settings. You can add some of the video description. It helps the SEO optimization. And also we have mask. You can select any shape. And then also with the 3 dots, you have more actions to do with the video. We're going to click on this arrow right here, which is open inspector. And then here, as you can see, select the video, and here you can customize the video. You can change the cover image that you want. And then you can also enable this fade out and some of the options here like pattern overlay, border. If you want to add shadow, for example, just toggle it on, or maybe add a contour and change the position. Now here you can change the animation and effects. For example, the entrance, I'm going to select the animation once they go to this website. Right, so here I'm going to select this. So I like this one, so I'm going to choose this and then go back. And here you can add some animations for your video. So as you can see, we have just added the video. You can expand it to your website, or maybe just click on undo button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.